Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A32 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the display option. Now let's tap on screen timeout, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest one, 30 minutes, which is kind of a time option, and never, which simply means that your device will never black out automatically. It will has to be done manually just by using the power button. So all you have to do is to tap on the option, and I will pick 5 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.